Here's a simple DIY project you can build at home. A modern table made using just a door and a few beams from Koiman. Make sure you have the following tools and materials. For the table legs, place the two 80 centimeter beams on the outside of the two 62 centimeter beams. Pre-drill your holes and screw them together to create that loop-style frame. Repeat this to make the second leg. Next, paint the legs in your preferred color using a foam roller and let them dry completely. Turn your tabletop upside down, position both legs evenly, pre-drill the holes, and secure each leg with 4 screws. Flip the table upright and give the surface a light sanding. Finish it with Koiman wood stain clear for a polished look. And with that, your table is complete, stylish and ready to use. Perfect as a holiday dining table, a gift wrapping station, or a festive display this Christmas season.